Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best De-Icer that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the 125 Costa Rican Colognes the 05346-3 blue and white De-Icer spray. Winter can be a nightmare for car owners because of the constant snow that fills up motorways and inadvertently makes movement difficult. More so, it becomes even more unbearable when too much time is spent scraping ice, which had formed overnight, off your vehicle before you set off for the day. As normal as this might sound, wouldn't it be easier using a product that dissolves ice faster, with almost no effort? Of course, it would. And that is why it is vital to have a De-Icer car spray handy in these situations. That said, the first De-Icer car spray on our list is the 125 Costa Rican Colognes the 05346-3 blue and white 3-pack Ice-Off Windshield De-Icer. This blue and white bottle is a weapon against stubborn ice stuck on your windshield that only causes delays. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Prestone 244-6 PK Windshield De-Icer. No matter how nice we talk about ice and snow in the winter, this is the time of the year our vehicles suffer the most. Stationary and parked cars are often drenched with snow, which eventually turns to ice, if not quickly cleared. However, thanks to De-Icer's car sprays, which have become a must-have, driving in the winter can be a breeze, and the Prestone 244-6 PK Windshield De-Icer comes highly recommended. A highly effective de-icing product, the Prestone Windshield De-Icer melts ice in no time, thanks to the methanol contained in its formula. It not only protects the car's windshield from refreezing but also other parts of the car. When applied to car door locks, or any other part of the car's surface, it ingeniously works to dissolve ice without affecting the car's paint. At number 3, we have the Splash Windshield Trigger Spray De-Icer. Meet the Splash Windshield Trigger Spray. This is a De-Icer with a difference. Designed as a user-friendly product, this windshield De-Icer features a trigger sprayer that is easy to operate at any time. Using this on your glass, windows, or windshield prevents and reduces the need for scraping, which can damage your automobile. It works like magic, melting all ice away like butter in a hot pan. The Splash De-Icer can be applied on your wiper blades and windshield without effort, and it will do its magic just as expected. We recommend this unit as the ideal formula for everyone located within chilly areas, as it helps you to save time and also keeps your vehicle looking good and damage-free. At number 2, we have the Penray 5216 Windshield Spray De-Icer. Penray has come up with an almost perfect solution to completely remove ice trapped on windshields and wipers. This chemical substance, known as the Penray 5216 Windshield Spray De-Icer, both prevents and attacks the formation of frost. It is perfect for adverse cold weather conditions and has been engineered to work as a spray that won't freeze regardless of the temperature. What's more, many professional garages opt for this masterclass product from Penray, and if you live in a cold region where you occasionally encounter frozen locks on your windshields, this De-Icer car spray effectively thaws them out. And finally, at number 1, we have the CRCO 5346 2-ounce Ice-Off Spray De-Icer. The winter season comes with a lot of chilly moments, frost and snow that can be both lovely and mighty annoying. When ice settles on your windshield, it causes many problems with your vehicle. In these circumstances, it is possible to create your own De-Icer with ingredients around your home. The safest option, however, is an already made De-Icer. Our top pick product for the article is the CRC Ice-Off Spray, and an incredible De-Icer formulated to melt all frost and snow on contact. It is well suited for use on your headlights, windows, locks and other parts of your automobile. This De-Icer from CRC is known to be highly useful in sub-zero temperatures, which is why several individuals recommend it on many online review platforms. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.